Hi, my name is Petra and welcome to today's workshop entitled Harnessing High Arousal for Optimal Focus. Humans tend to love high arousal, right? Especially people that get dogs that are prone to heading in that direction. There's something about it that's just kind of fun, right? All that energy, all that drive, it's sexy, it's exciting. The dogs provide lots of energy and speed. They tend to be very motivated. They're kind of twitchy and it looks really cool, right? To have the dog working that fast and that brisk and that sharp. So that's the pros, but there are also a lot of cons that come with that. Dogs that spill into high arousal quickly have very poor innate impulse control. When they're utilizing impulse control, when they're controlling themselves, their arousal goes down, all right? So if the dog in life is constantly rehearsing high arousal and it has very poor impulse control, guess what? That's going to carry over into their performance training. So here I'm going to tug with the dog, out, put the dog in, and I'm going to count 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4. And then I'm going to see that the dog's eyes clear up and they get their focus gets stronger. They look more relaxed and they're ready to work. So there she's sneezing, so she was still a little too aroused. Those sneezes helped bring her arousal down. There, now she's dialed in and ready to go. Could be, instead of just walking into the building, doing a sustained nose touch while moving around, right? Give the dog something else to focus on and something else to do that shifts them away from the thing that's getting them highly aroused, all right? So you can be a little creative and do some experimenting, see what makes the most sense for your dog.